For this recipe, we're using 5 pounds of beef short ribs. Using paper towels, pat dry the short ribs. Then we're going to season them with kosher salt. Season them with kosher salt on all sides, about 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Then sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Now, in a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add the short ribs to the pot and brown each side for about 2 minutes. Brown them in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Oh, and one more thing. Remember to brown the end tips as well. Once the short ribs have been browned and developed a beautiful crust, set them aside. Reduce the heat to medium. In the same pot over medium heat, add a mirepoix. The mirepoix consists of 2 medium-sized onions, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stacks, all diced. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes until nice and soft. Then add 6 cloves of garlic, minced, followed by 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Give that a quick stir and saute for another minute. Then add 2 cups of red wine such as Cabernet. Simmer for about 5 minutes until the wine reduces to about half. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 165 degrees Celsius. And once the wine has been reduced, bring the short ribs back into the pot. Add 4 cups of beef broth, followed by a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme, a couple of sprigs of fresh rosemary, and 2 bay leaves. Then pop the lid on and transfer to the center of your preheated oven. Now cook in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours or until fork tender. And if all goes according to plan, your short ribs would look like this. Feel free to skim off any fat that has accumulated on the surface. You may serve over mashed potatoes and garnish with fresh parsley. Ooh. There you guys have it, red wine braised short ribs. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.